good day, viewers. You are on to Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall talk about Cartesian products of sets. Kindly subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload new video, you'll be duly notified. Thank you. Now, for any two elements x and y of a set, the ordered pair of x and y is denoted by x comma y, where x is the first ordinate, and y is the second ordinate. Now, what do we mean by x comma y? X comma y is an ordered pair of the two elements of a set, and the elements are x and y. So the ordered pair where x is the first ordinate and y is the second ordinate is called the ordered pair of x and y, which is s comma y. In that case, x is the first ordinate, as we have seen, and y is the what? Is the second ordinate. Now, let a and b be two non-empty sets. Let a and b be two non-empty sets. Now, okay, the Cartesian products of A and B is denoted by A cross B. A cross B. Okay? Then A cross B, how do we define A cross B? How do you define A cross B? That is, A cross B is the Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets A and B. A cross B is defined as a set of A comma B such that A is an element in the set A and what? And B is an element in the set B. Okay? Now, this is what we call Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets A and B. Now we pick an element from elements small letter A from set A and small letter B from set B. Now this is what we mean by the cross product, that is Cartesian product of sets A and B. Now let's look at an example. Suppose we have example 1. Okay, let a set A be a set of elements 1, 2, 3, and set B be a set of elements 6 and 7. Now we are asked to find. We want to illustrate here. Let's illustrate the Cartesian product of A and B, and same time of B and A. Now let's find. Show whether A cross B is equal to B cross A. Let us check whether the Cartesian product of A and B denoted by A cross B is equal to the Cartesian product of B and A denoted by B cross A. Let us check that. Okay? Let us check. We want to find out. Now, in this case, A cross B will be a set of, we pick, it has to be an ordered pair. We start with A. So we have elements, we're going to have what? 1, 6. We pick 1 and 6. We have 1, comma 7 because we 1 and 6, 1 and 7. Okay, we are done with 1. We have crossed 1 with 6 and 7. Let's pick 2. 2 cross 6, 2 cross 6, 2 cross 7. We are done with 2. Then we have what? 3 cross 6, and we have 3 cross 7. So that is the Cartesian product of A and B, A cross B. So A cross B, we have the following as its elements. Now let's look at B cross A. B cross A. That will be a set of, we now start from B. 6, 1, 6, 1, yes, 6, 2. I think, or you can even say that, let's speak it this way. Yes, let's okay. Let's 6 cross 1. Let's be true with 6 first. 6 cross 1, 6 cross 2. All right. It's still logical. 6 cross 3. Okay. Now we pick what? 7 cross 1. All right. 7 cross 1. Then we pick what? 7 cross 2. All right. And we pick what? 7 cross 3. So if you look at the elements of each set, we observe clearly that they are not the same. So in Cartesian product, we talk about ordered pair. The first ordinate, the second ordinate. So you can't say that 1 cross 6, 1 comma 6 is equals to 6 comma 1. No, they're not the same thing. Because in A cross B, the first ordinate is 1, the element there is 1, and this the second ordinate is 6. So in B cross A, the elements there, the first ordinate is 6, and the second ordinate is 1. So they are not the same thing. So that is what we are saying. So in this case now, hence, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So we have shown that. Okay, let's look at another an example here. Let's look at another example. Given, let's call that one example 2. Let's call that one example 2. Example 2. Okay, example 2. Example 2. Given that A is a set of, this A is a set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? A is a set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is a set of elements 2, 3, 4. Okay? 2, 3, 4. And we have the universal set to be a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our universal set. So find A complement cross B complements. That is the Cartesian product of A complement and B complement. That's 1. 2. The second question there. B complement cross A complement. That is the Cartesian product of B complement and A complement. And 3. The third one is the number of elements in A complement cross B complement. Number of elements there. N of A prime cross B prime. Okay, now how do we go about this? So first of all, we have to find the complements. All right. Now, A complements will be the elements that are not in A but which are found in the universal set. So that means it's just the same thing as saying that universal set minus A. That's what it means. So you subtract all the elements of A from the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you remove them from the universal set, you will be left what? 5 and 6. So that is our A complement. Now B complement is the universal set minus what? Universal set minus what? Minus B. That is all elements that are not in B but which are found in the universal set. So subtract the elements in B from the universal set. You have 2, 3, 4. So it will be left what? 1, 5, 6. That is B complements. Okay, we have 1, yes, 5 and 6. Now, let's look at the Cartesian product of A complement, and B complement now, the Cartesian product. All right. So A complement A cross B complement. Okay. Now that will be a set of elements with the pair. Now we start with 5 1, 5 1, 5 5, 5 5, and 5 6, 5 6. Okay. Now that is done. Now 6 1, 6 1, 6 5, 6 5, then 6 6. Okay. So those are the elements from for A complement cross that is Cartesian product of A complement and B complement. Now the second one, the Cartesian product of B complement and A complement. Okay, we start with what? B. B complement cross A complement. Let's see. All right. 1 5, 1 5. Then we've done with 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So we're done with that. Then repeat 5. 5 comma 5. Then after that, repeat what? 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We're done with 5. Then we pick 6. 6, 6, 6 5, 6 5, 6 5. We're done with that. And 6 6. 6 6. Now let's check whether they are the same or not. Now 5 1, 1 5, they're not the same thing. Okay, they're not the same thing. 5 comma 5, 1 comma 6, they're not the same thing. Okay, so that is that. Now the third question says the number of elements in the cross product of A complement and B complement. How many elements do we have there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6. So that is that about that. On this note, we have come to the end of the question. So please don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Thanks and God bless you.